One of the simplest methods to generate money online is to listen to music. What are the next steps? We'll find out shortly. This is how you can earn $1.35 per minute of music listening. Welcome to Financial Fluence. In this video, I'll teach you how to earn $1,856 just by listening to music. Let's now get going. To begin, here is the website where we will earn money by simply listening to music. This website is really popular, and many people are already familiar with it. It is quite basic and easy to use. And as you can see, you can go from setting up your new account to making money in less than 5 minutes by following 4 simple steps. And you may have seen some amazing things on this website that you will definitely like when you get to the bottom. They are highly compatible. They provide strategically placed advertising, the ability to customize your radio, extensive statistics, a simple point exchange system, and the ability to cash out at any moment. The service is completely free and available from anywhere on the planet. Bank transfers, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, and of course PayPal can all be used to pay you. Live statistics for all current listeners worldwide are available right here. This website has previously distributed this money to its users all throughout the world. Hundreds of people from all around the world are now using the service to listen to music while earning money. You can zoom in and out to see how many people are working right now. Click the sign up button to create a free account. This takes you to this page. Simply enter your chosen name, first and last name, email address, and password, followed by the CAPTCHA, and then click register. Your new account has been successfully created. You can now log in and view your personal dashboard. Navigate to the earnings section of your dashboard and select Listen to Radio. You will choose one of these radio stations and will be reimbursed after a few minutes of listening. Your account will be immediately credited with the points. You can later convert these for actual money. However, before you can start earning money with this method, go to Settings and fill out your payment details on this page. Simply enter your PayPal email address or any other payment method you wish to use. Now, click on this button to begin listening and earning money. A new tab will appear after you click on the radio station. Simply click this play button and the music will begin playing immediately. The nicest part about this strategy is that you can just leave it running in the background. You can change stations after the required number of minutes. That's all there is to it on the RadioEarn.com platform. It is really easy to use and intuitive, so give it a shot right now and start earning money right away. And before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Let's return to the video now. The following website to visit is Cash4Minutes.com. Cash4Minutes.com is a one-of-a-kind service that pays you to make phone calls and listen to music. They have already paid out over £11 million since the launch of their website. Currently, they have over 144,000 subscribers that use this service to earn money while listening to music. All you have to do is visit this website and sign up. After you join up, they will send you an email to confirm your account. When you initially log in, they'll show you this page with instructions on how to utilize the website to generate money. So make sure to read it to understand the platform's code of conduct. Remember to connect your preferred payment method to the site so that you can be paid whenever you achieve the payment threshold. HitPredictor.com is another useful website. This is one of the most effective websites for earning money while listening to music. After you log in, you'll get paid for rating new music before the rest of the public can hear it. You'll be taken to a website where you can leave a comment and rate the artist's song once you finish listening. On this website, you can earn points for rating songs, which you can then exchange for cash. Now, let's go to MusicXray.com. On this platform, you may listen to music brands, review their songs, and earn money. Music X-Ray is widely considered the most effective song and talent filter in the industry. This website was made mainly to help musicians who want their music to be known and gain fans all over the world. These musicians pay a fee to market their music and build a fan base by putting their songs on the portal and getting people to follow them. You will register as a music fan in order to listen to music of your choosing. The website will compensate you for listening to the music of these new performers. The vast bulk of the recordings are no more than 30 seconds long. Despite the fact that the website only pays a few cents per song, This is an excellent method to supplement your income. Music X-Ray is an easy-to-use website. However, there are a few things you should know before you start. To begin, listen to music for at least 30 seconds. If you don't do this, you will not be credited with the money. Second, after listening to the track, you can choose to become a fan or decline. In either event, you will be reimbursed for listening to the track. If you change your music choices every week, you'll always keep getting new songs to listen to and suggestions for songs you might like. Music X-Ray users can cash out their payments via PayPal and other payment methods. The smallest payment is $20, but you have the possibility of cashing out many times. Now, let's take a quick look back at the platforms we've discussed. The first website is RadioEarn.com, which allows you to earn money simply by listening to music. The best thing about this website is that you can leave the music playing in the background while doing other activities. Simply go to RadioEarn.com and sign up for a free account. The next site we discussed was CashForMinutes.com. By making calls and listening to music, you can make money with this website's one-of-a-kind service. The third website, where you may get paid to check out and rate brand new music before it is made available to the general public, is called HitPredictor.com. You can accumulate points when you've completed rating the music, which you can then exchange for real money. The fourth website is MusicXray.com, where you can get money by simply rating music, the majority of which is barely 30 seconds long, and that you've already listened to. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.